Hey guys, it's Megan Mize here with the Perry Company, and today we're at Washington County Tractor in Waco, and Jerrod's going to go over our new light guards for the Kubota SVL and show you how to quickly install them.
All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about light guards on this 97-3. These are simply going to install using factory mounting holes right here so that you're protecting your lights against limbs and other obstacles that you might come across that could bust that light out, and then it leaves you going back to the dealership trying to get some lights. We want to protect it correctly the first time. This is made out of 3/16 powder coated steel. It's laser cut, CNC press braked, and weld right here at our plant here in Waco, Texas at the Perry Company. We even went as so far as to get the correct RAL number to get a nice color match to the unit. Let's get it installed.